Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this colorful mandala using circles, dots, warm and cool colors, and symmetry. Mandala means circle or center. It's also a symbol of the universe in its ideal form. Cool colors: blue, green, purple. Cool colors make you think of cool things, like ice cold water. Ooh, cold. Warm colors: red, orange, yellow. Warm colors make you think of hot things like fire, a hot chili pepper burning the inside of your mouth, like the sand on the beach on your bare feet on a hot sunny day. A 12 by 12 square piece of white paper. Various lids to trace circles with. Large circles like frisbees. Paper plates. A circle template with these stencils to trace. Colored markers. Dot stampers. They come in a variety of colors. You take the lid off and there's the stamp to make the circles. When I do this lesson in class, I'll cover up all the tables with paper. I usually use butcher block paper, but you can also use a tablecloth. This keeps the surface of the table nice and clean. A paint shirt or an apron to keep your clothes clean. Let's begin. So first, I'm going to trace my largest circle. Then I'm going to move that aside and trace the next size down. And then this size. And I'm just going to keep getting smaller and smaller with my circles. Once the circles are traced and I have an outline of my mandala, I'm going to use markers and dot stampers to add more dots and to color. When you're tracing circles, you want to make sure that you get it in position first. Get your marker ready. Hold it in place with one hand, keep it still, and then go all the way around your circle that you're tracing. And then lift it up and you'll have a circle. Now it kind of looks like a target. I didn't use the orange frisbee because I went to this size after I did the largest one, because I was thinking of taking the small circles and tracing them around this outer ring here many times. And then I'm going to go to the next size, like here, and trace this size around the ring. And then when I get to here, I'll use the dot stampers to make the dots. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm done tracing circles. Now I'm going to add details and color with the markers and the dot stampers. With the dot stampers, you can give it a shake, untwist the cap, leave the cap off the entire time you're using it, and then you just press this down on the page and it'll make a dot, like this. All right, I'm going to keep coloring and adding dots and details, and I'll show you what it looks like finished. I'm done coloring my mandala. Now it's time to put the caps back on the markers. Make sure you hear them click close like this so that they don't dry out. Also put the caps back on the dot stampers. Match the colors up, twist it on there. That'll keep it fresh. Let's check out my finished mandala. I used cool colors on the center and the outermost ring. They are blues, greens, and purples. On these two inner rings, I used warm colors, colors that are hot, orange, yellow, and reds. I used patterns in this piece, not only with the number of dots I used on each circle, but also in the colors of the dots. This piece uses symmetry. If I divide it right down the middle vertically, it has the same shape on both sides, the same colors. If I divided it horizontally, the same stuff's on the top as on the bottom. If I divide it diagonally, the same thing happens. That's radial symmetry. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys around.